Yikes.
Hello everybody, this is Ken Thally from BounceBikeTraining.com. Today we're looking at the Schwinn Lulu. Nice little bike that's from Target. All pink is a girl's bike, all pink with classic rims on it. It does come with a basket. It's a 26-inch alloy bike. Nice rims on it, white wall tires. With the Shimano brakes on it. Classic cruiser frame. Very nice bike. Like I said, this is with Target. It's for $179.99. Key features: it does have a plastic right there. It does have a 7-speed grip shifter on it. Nicely padded seat. Very nice bike. If you like this review, please give us a thumbs up. If you have anything, comments, please leave them at the bottom. And once again, this is Ken Thally from BounceBikeTraining.com. Have a great day.